Hello everyone, welcome to week 1 of Strategic Planning and Leadership. My name is Gordy Pace and I'm your instructor for this online course. Each week I'll post a short video like this one in Moodle to help guide your reading and thinking for the week. For this first week I'll focus on how the course is organized in Moodle and talk about expectations for the course, including readings, assignments, and how we will communicate with each other. We'll use a variety of technology tools during the semester, but Moodle will be the foundation for everything. I'm using a theme in Moodle that organizes content by week. The course syllabus is posted on the Welcome and Syllabus page. The other navigation links at the top correspond with specific weeks of the semester. If you haven't used Moodle before, I included a link to a short tutorial called Moodle 101 to help you get oriented. Our instructional weeks will go from Monday to Sunday of each week. Each week has its own page in Moodle, and on that page you'll find a link to a video lecture and a list of required readings for the week, as well as any assignments that are due that week. There will be assigned reading for each week of the semester. There are 2 required books, Good Strategy, Bad Strategy by Richard Rummelt, and Good to Great and the Social Sectors by Jim Collins. There will also be other assigned readings not included in those books. For those, I will post PDF documents in Moodle. You can anticipate spending about 2 to 3 hours per week engaged in lectures and readings. There will be 5 graded discussion forums during the semester as well. Those will be focused on material covered over a 2 to 3 week span. Each of you will be required to facilitate one of those discussions. When you're the discussion leader, you'll create a discussion thread with a question or a challenge for others to respond to, and then engage with those responses throughout the week to help your classmates develop insight and clarity. There's a link on week 1 Getting Started page to sign up for discussion leader dates. I encourage you to complete that as soon as possible. There are 3 slots for each discussion forum, and those are on a first-come, first-served basis. The weeks you're not a discussion leader, you'll be expected to respond to at least 2 of the 3 posted topics, providing written responses multiple times during the week. There are some guidelines in the syllabus about expectations for discussion forum participation. For this first week, there is a non-graded discussion forum assignment. That assignment is for you to introduce yourself through the forum. That helps us get to know each other, and it will help you get acquainted with the discussion forum tool. Your major project for the semester will be to design a strategic planning process for a public or nonprofit organization of your choice. This project will give you the opportunity to apply concepts and skills that you learn in the class. Writing assignments for the project will be spread across several weeks, and you'll have an opportunity to submit a draft and get feedback before you submit your final paper. There's more detail in the syllabus again about this assignment, and I can answer questions during our one-on-one conversations or by email if you have them. For now, work on identifying an organization you would be able to work with for this project. Finally, let's talk about communication. My plan is to schedule at least 2 brief one-on-one conversations with each of you. The first of those conversations will be during week 2, the week of September 3rd through the 9th. I put a link to a doodle poll where you can indicate 1 or more blocks of time that will work for you during that week. Please complete that task by Wednesday of this week so I can put together a schedule. Ideally, we will use a video conferencing tool called Zoom for our one-on-one conferences, but we can also do a phone conference if necessary. You're always welcome to set up additional conversations with me as well. My office hours will vary, so please make an appointment in advance. And of course, you can also email me. I'll try to respond to emails quickly, but please understand that there may be some lag time. That's it for now. Once you have shared your availability for a one-on-one conference, I'll get back to you with a specific day and time. And please let me know if you have additional questions or concerns.